Get ready for the mistletoe with me. So today I am going to get a microneedling with PRP procedure done. I am certified to do microneedling and I do it for patients from time to time, but microneedling is great to help tighten your skin and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. So if I really look closely, I have like a lot of fine lines here, especially when I smile. Like if I do certain movements, I have some in my forehead. I could use some tightening. And the PRP with the platelet-rich plasma, you get the richest part of your plasma and you infuse into your face with the microneedling. It's supposed to make your skin like super great, super extra. I have like a scab here and my skin does not look up to par, but hopefully with the microneedling treatment, we can change that. Okay, so now we're moving to the part where Fluent is gonna draw my blood and centrifuge it to get the PRP. I think whenever you get PRP, you have to eat clean, right, Flo?
Yes.
And avoid things like, is it like garlic and onions or something? I think I ate garlic.
You'll be fine.
A few days ago. But you want like the best part of your blood so that when you centrifuge it, you get like the richest part and it's all good nutrients to put on your skin because it's like going into your skin. Okay, how much blood are you drawing?
Not very much. You'll do fine. I believe in you.
She believes in me.
Don't look.
Okay.
Okay, make a fist for me. Hold on to the wall, okay? Okay, you ready?
Oh, this is painful. I'm just kidding. Do I still have to make a fist?
You can relax.
Welcome to the med room. This room is always open, but no patients are ever in here. But Fluent asked me to go ahead and numb myself, so I shouldn't have put this on yet. I am going to tie my hair up, and then I'm going to put some numbing cream on my face to get that started. The numbing cream lasts for about 30 to 40 minutes, and the procedure itself should only last about 30 to 40 minutes. Kind of just depends on your trouble areas. So I'm gonna numb myself once. The blood is being centrifuged right now. We're gonna go check up on that, and then I'm gonna numb myself again about 15 minutes, just every 15 minutes, just so that I make sure my skin is nice and ready for this procedure. Okay, so for the numbing cream, we use some benzocaine, lidocaine, and tetracaine for numbing. Okay, so it's gonna be my mirror. Oh, I'm also not very graceful about putting things on my skin because I'm not good at skincare or aesthetics. So microneedling can be done in a number of areas, including on top of your nose, on the décolleté. I keep saying it like it's gonna come to me. The neck area, just a number of places. I'm gonna avoid my nose just because I don't think I want my nose to be microneedled. So I'll just focus on everywhere else on my face. Go on a run with me midday. Okay, so we are definitely Dr. Wynn's employees because Fling and I just went on a run and I'm literally sweating, and Fling said, okay, well, let's just do the procedure while we're back. So she's getting the microneedle ready. I asked her to do like the lower settings. So there's different settings on the microneedle and different needle sizes. And so the higher the needle size and power, the deeper it goes into your pores. I'm a very sensitive person, and I also attend a lot of meetings on behalf of DPC Health. I film a lot of videos, and so I don't want, my skin to be penetrated too much. So she's gonna go with the lower settings for me. I think it goes up to like 10, right? And the needle size goes up to like 2. So she's gonna use whatever setting she wants. She can blur it out if she wants to. And afterwards, she's gonna save some PRP, about 3 cc's, to put in a Somi bottle for me, and we'll kind of talk more about that later, but this is our Somi skincare that we do have. Okay, she's gonna wipe off my face from all the numbing cream that I'm also sweating off with alcohol. It smells so bad. Do not just call me ridiculous. I do look ridiculous. Okay, so Floong is leaving the gauze with my PRP on my face to soak it in more, since there are micro needles that have punctured openings. So the PRP is supposed to be soaked in. The microneedle areas itself is supposed to help stimulate collagen, calling collagen cells there to rebuild because it caused micro trauma. And tonight I'm gonna go home and use like warm water, more on the cold side to like, you know, keep my skin calm and cool. And then I'm gonna use the Somi cream, which is full of like really rich natural antioxidants mixed with my PRP. So she already, you know, injected it in. You shake it up a little bit and you squirt it out, and you're supposed to put it on part of your skincare regimen. And it's supposed to help stimulate more of the tightening of your skin and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles as well. So we have Somi if you guys want any. Okay, so this is me after I took off the PRP gauze. My skin is pretty red in certain areas, and that's normal. So after getting a microneedling treatment, you could be full on red, especially if your skin is sensitive to redness and other things that touch it. So my skin is not too sensitive, but she did go a lower power for me. You can see like kind of where the microneedles were poked at on my skin, and my face still feels pretty numb right now. I can tell with my lip area, but again, I'm gonna go home and use the Somi cream. And this is something that we also provide for patients who don't choose to go with Somi. It's the high hyaluronic acid, 2% and B5, and it's a hydration serum, and you're supposed to apply this twice a day for about 24 to 48 hours. You want to avoid any vitamin C serums because that could be a little too much for your skin. And then if patients who want to do microneedling, but maybe they don't want to do PRP with their microneedling session, we also have like peptide gel. Peptides are really good to help stimulate collagen as well and provide good moisture and texture to your skin. So these are some options that we do provide for anyone who's interested in microneedling. I'm gonna follow up on what my skin looks like in the next few days, and hopefully I look prettier than I did before.